Hello everyone and welcome to my personal project. So right now what we have is our home screen right now, viewing my personal project, and then on the right side we have a drop down box of your offer, upsell, downsell, opt-in page, Facebook page, contest, app, and confirmation page. When we click on offer, of course, it takes us straight to the offer page. You can either click buy now or no thanks. So let's go ahead and click buy now, see where that takes us. Straight to the upsell page. And from there, you can either click buy now or no thanks again. For now, we'll click no thanks. It'll take us straight to the downsell page. And then from here, you can also click no thanks again, and it'll take us straight to the confirmation page. From there, we can go over and go straight to our opt-in page where it has information where you can put in your email address and your first name to subscribe. From there, we can go to our Facebook page in all its glory, pretty colors, everything. Then from there, our contest page. And then last but not least, our app. Here we have 4 apps, project marketing, about me, contact, and food. And that is our little walkthrough of my site. Thank you and bye.